What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome back to Broke Boy Custom. I'm Alex and I'm a broke boy. And today is a very special episode. We're gonna have our first guest on the show, our second broke boy.
Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm broke too.
So today we're going to be doing what we do on a daily basis. We build golf carts. I've been a mechanic for 6 years and I found out that building golf carts is more money, so yeah, I'm doing that. So
Don't forget, we live in South Florida where they're very popular too, so.
Yeah, South Florida, golf carts are big money, so it's great to work on, and it's a lot of customization for cheap, and I got to build people's dreams. So the golf cart that we just rode in on, the customer built it to his spec, Miami University colors, and sort of. He handpicked all the colors out, and there was so much clashing. We didn't really like it. We sent it to him anyways. He had it for like a month, maybe. Was it a month?
2 months, not very long.
And yeah, he sent it back. And he wanted basically the whole cart redone. And we were like, yeah, we're just going to build you another cart because to strip this one down and then build it back up will take more work than just to build you an already stripped down cart. So today, we're going to be doing a Phoenix kit on this cart. It's a very special body for the Club Car Precedent. It gives it nice headlights, nice directionals, and it's really cool looking. And because we have all these lime green parts already powder coated on the cart, including the lift kit, we're going to be going with a lime green Phoenix, and it's going to look awesome. So let's kick on some jams and let's get to it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. it sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.